Okay, y'all see my wig? Yeah, I gotta go. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. Why am I doing that? On my channel. So I've been being lazy and I really just don't feel like putting this wig down. Like, I feel like it's pointless because I'm just trying to grow my hair back, and I like to massage my hair at night, you know, to stimulate growth. So it's like, why don't I freak it? So I'm about to freak it real quick. I just wanted to show you guys, just to show you guys that you can make a wig look natural without doing all the extra baby hairs and stuff like that. This is for, I'm not gonna say lazy, this is for either women who cannot do the wigs like that for real, or women like me who just lazy. So stay tuned. I know these backgrounds are like killing you guys, but like, I'm just trying to find a comfortable way to do it without moving on my lights. Okay, so what you're gonna do is get your baby hairs, edges, whatever you want to call them, put them down. My hair is like gelled back, so if y'all see a little white residue, you know, mind your business. I'm trying to get this part too. This part I gel back a lot. That's usually where I put glue. Excuse my friends on my face. They decided to come visit me today. Ow, that's a bump. I thought it was glue. Now I gotta scratch it off. Okay, my fault. Okay, let's see. So y'all see the baby hairs? Yes, one side is more babyish than the other. Mind your business. Okay, so we're gonna get a little bit of that. Really what I'm doing is just laying down my baby hairs. So if you like know how to lay down your baby hairs, you know, do that. Okay, I'm not doing really anything special. I'm just laying down baby hairs because this is gonna give it the natural effect, you know. I hate the leftover mousse. Okay. Okay. Look at that baby hair babying. That one, I'm always confused about what I want to do with the middle one. Like always. But hey, we gonna figure it out. I just brushed my ear. Okay. Don't mind my faces. These are my laying down my baby hair faces. Okay. This one always seems to have more baby hairs. I just don't understand. Okay. Okay. Now I'm about to go in with this edge wax from Murray's and just secure them. Yeah, this is really like a spur of the moment. I just wanted y'all to see how I did it. That's why all my sounds are still on. And my phone's being rude right now. Oh, by the way, the mousse is just to mold my baby hairs. Cause they be acting like they don't wanna mold down. I'm not the baby hair queen, okay? If y'all wanna learn how to do that, go watch Sweetie's video. I'm just giving y'all a hack. I used to do this when I was younger. That's the funny thing. Like, when I was younger, when I first started not caring about how my wigs looked because females be walking around not caring how their wigs looked, I started doing this because I was just like, I want my stuff to look natural, but like, I don't want to do the work. And I don't know why I like abandoned this method. But we're gonna bring it back. Oh, and it's Thursday. Well, I'm recording it on a Thursday, and you're more than likely gonna see this video on a Monday. But okay, y'all see the baby hair? Okay, cool. Oh, now let's go back. Okay, I'm trying to put it where the stuff is. I need to put actually some more. Okay. Okay, y'all see them baby hairs banging? Not banging. Baby hairs very, I don't know. Okay, hold on one second. Dingy, so I'm about to go back in with this. Okay, do not be like me. I'm only using this because, again, I don't really do makeup, and this is like the only stuff I have. I'm not putting this back on my face, of course, but I definitely need to, oh, and I don't use these for my face. They're so pretty. I use them for my hair. I definitely need to get another one of these for my actual face. Yeah, this is, I was not thinking. I'm like literally destroying this. And I just don't, like, I just can't see myself putting it back on my face. Like, it just seems like I'm gonna be like just breaking out for. Okay, come on. You a little too light for me. Y'all know them free wig caps that you get with the when you buy a wig. This is that one, because I don't like these. I like the ones, I think the next shade from this one. Okay. And now let's get the wig. Where is my brush? My pretty brush is downstairs. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush that out. Okay, now I'm about to put this down. Y'all see it already? Y'all see it already looking natural? Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Hold on. Of course I gotta put that down. But look at that. Shauna, your hair grew fast, girl. I know. You ain't gotta tell me. Okay. Now, I'm about to take some spritz. Hold on one second. Okay. So now, let me cover the wig cap. Look at that. Now I'm about to take my spritz. I was about to take the top off. And just... I did not mean to hit my edges. It's okay. Okay. I'll blow dry all the way over there. I'm really being that lazy. I need something to fan. Oh, girl. Don't drip. Yeah, I'm so lazy. But honestly, being lazy would probably be for me to get the blow dryer, because like this is literally taking too much time for me and too much effort. But I'm too lazy to get up. Okay, while that's drying down a little bit. Take my handy dandy. What is this called, y'all? Concealer? Powder? Something? I don't know. But I'm gonna take my handy dandy something. Hey, there, little thing right there. And kinda. It looks a little powdery on the camera. But I promise you guys, it's not gonna look like that. Okay. I should really just... Whew. But y'all see how natural it looks right now? And I didn't even brush it down yet. Brush it down yet. Look at that. Look at that. Scalp. Scalp. I need to even that a little bit. But hold on. It's giving scalp, y'all. It's giving scalp. Okay. Hope I don't have to straighten this again. Because I really wanted to curl it, but look, y'all see, it sucks that like my hair is like non-existent when it comes to baby hairs. Let me brush that open. Okay, and we are done. I guess Simba is feeling it too, but okay, we are done. Hold on, I'm gonna pick y'all up. Hold on, see the baby hairs. Excuse my junky room, but yeah, so that is how I create I mean, they real, but fake real baby hairs on the wig without doing all that. I don't know, it takes a lot. Hold on, let me put y'all down because I'm moving a lot. Oh my gosh, why would you do that? No, I still don't like that. Yeah, it takes a lot to like do the baby hairs, like seriously, because like I don't know, but they be like stiff and then not doing what I needed to do. And again, I'm lazy. I don't have the time or the patience. But yeah, so oh, that was a little nappy. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And look at that. Look, Shauna, your hair grew back. Yes, ma'am. Wait, is that a look? Is that my ear? Oh, that's my. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. I don't know why I'm clapping. Make sure you like. Ooh, okay. So this light not messing with me. I just wanted to go back. Wait a minute, let's go back. I don't know, but make sure I'm all beat. No, this is not. Okay. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment. Make sure you share this video. Thank you guys. Come back to see me. Okay, bye.